Hey, Rahul.
I always cooperate with you. Please listen to me. Earlier also we successfully have done. But how will being a traveling or something like that? This agitation sound also will get dirty. These are not, if it were allowed, there is a stone instruction, otherwise I wouldn't have said it. From the beginning, he told me that time I would have said I understand. Customers are what would I say about that? They will ask me how do I love it?
They are not allowing. Allowing.
I know, but there should be balance.
That means allowing. Nobody is there to allow.
They will ask me how did I allow. They are not going to ask me. I have my job also.
We will also ask them how are
I